My friend, let's talk about Relationship 101. Relationship 101, what it's all about? Gusto ko lang i-remind you and also myself about partnership, the importance of partnership. Sometimes we tend to neglect our partner, boyfriend, girlfriend. Nakakalimutan natin that we should be together, that we should be as one, we should be united. And most of the time we let our pride, we let our emotions get the better of us. So I'm talking from experience, and I want to help you, my friend, and remind you most of all that the relationship is more important than winning the argument. The relationship is more important than you getting the last say. The relationship is more important than you winning, quote, the battle or the war. Diba? Ano ba mas mahalaga? Yung masabi natin na tayo ang may huling salita, that we won, or we have peace? Your blessing is on the way. The best is yet to come, my friend. Okay? Bye.